While I have an opportunity, I wanted to show you the Cotto Lombardo. These are the terracotta tiles, exact same terracotta tiles we have at the house. And this is how they look when they are renovated. Can you see? It's like marbly effect. This is very typical for Cotto Lombardo. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Love it. So more or less our first floor will be looking like that. Good morning everybody. Today is a beautiful rainy day. We wanted to go to the house, but once we were at the train station, we realized that all the trains were cancelled for today, and this is a big disappointment because we wanted to see the roof during the rain so we can put all the marks and then work on the spots. And then I texted my neighbor and she gave us her car for today. I can't believe people are so kind here. It's amazing, and we have a car, a real car. To be honest, I really like this kind of weather. Okay, Kotik, are you ready for this day? Are you ready to see the roof, the attic?
No.
No. Okay, let's go to the house. I'm so happy with having a car, and we're gonna work at the house because it is so important. Because on the weekends it's 2 of us and we can do twice more. Yeah?
Rally time.
So you can imagine now making those curves on Alla. It's a bit tricky. Ta-da! We are at the house. So Kotik, you are much happier when we are driving a real car, not the Alla.
Yeah, I think it's much better.
It's not that much fun as driving up. It's boring. Don't you find it boring? Oh, the stream is very noisy today. Look at this. Oh. And then, is it same noisy down in the garden? Let's see. Oh, roof. Yeah, it is really good. Look, it's big, Kotik. That means we have a big rain in the mountains. And the first important thing at the house on a rainy day is to check the attic and the roof. Not much hopes. I'll leave my heavy backpack here. Okay. Is it bad?
It's awful.
Oh no! What destroyed? Oh! No. Is it new? No, it's not new. It was like that. The thing is that I don't know. It was like that before.
Of course it was.
Yes, don't scare me. Yeah.
But it's totally destroyed.
Well, because we destroyed it.
Yeah.
If you destroy things, you cannot. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have Well, but actually it's really good. It's much better Kotik. Remember the last rain? It was everything. It was full of water here in this little room. I'm really surprised.
It's almost totally dry.
It is almost totally dry. I'm so pleased. I wasn't expecting this because the rain was really heavy this night.
Fuck, Alla, we repaired it.
Oh, I love it. I love it. It is so good.
It's a little bit wet over here.
No, it was like that. It was like that. I checked yesterday because
Yeah?
yes, this difference in color. It was
okay.
like that. This was like that. It's the old one, and we repaired it. I'm so happy, Kodik. We have no leaks.
Unbelievable. It's
Oh, really? Everything? Like everything? Well, little one because we didn't repair this one.
yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, okay. This bucket has to live here officially. And then we have look here, but I knew about this one. Well,
This one.
it's not really urgent. This is this one, the bucket one.
Yeah, I will change it.
Yes. Oh my god.
It's easy.
I'm so happy. But we had one here, we had one here, we had a huge one here where we were working last weekend. Sergey
I
has
changed concrete on top
yeah,
of it.
Sergey has changed the middle section, which we never done in our life. Sergey is a hero. Look at me, the hero. Yay! And because he never done it in his life, and he went up there and he changed the middle section and 2 rows of tiles. I can't believe it is so. Is it? Oh, is it?
No leaks at all.
Oh my god! And in this little room, we had many leaks.
Okay, this tile. I don't know why it's so wet.
It's just wet, but I think it's because it's a new one, and it's just different color. Because we have no leak.
Maybe.
We have no leak. It's all dry. There was a huge leak here. Remember, it was all wet. This corner, and this is where you put this plastic stuff.
And it's on the first phase without foam.
Yeah.
I will even improve it.
Wow, this is so good. And we have a huge leak here.
Before.
Yes. I love it. And here we changed
So it's
it.
totally different story now.
It is. I'm so happy. High five. Yay.
Yay.
Good. It is so good. Oh. Okay. Officially, we need a celebration this evening. And here it's all dry. And tomorrow, I'm getting rid of stuff. This is all recycled. This is paper and carton.
And this is very tasty wood
Well, this wood
for woodworms.
for woodworms. It's food.
Actually, we have a theory that
Yeah.
some pieces of the wood were placed over here on the roof in a special way. So
Yeah.
woodworm ate them.
And not the beams.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a real. It's totally made up theory by us, me and Sergey, but maybe it's the case because we have these pieces of wood, like totally eaten by woodworm, and but not the beams. Our wood on the roof is good, and maybe they were placing this delicious wood just for woodworm to keep it in one place. I don't know. I have no idea. But we will burn this in the chimney later when we will have a chimney one day soon. One day or another.
I'm gonna repair roof again.
One day or another.
I'm gonna change roof.
I
I change it.
Oh, it's all dry. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Oh, I'm so pleased. But this room, it was the worst one. It was water everywhere here.
Yeah, even now you can see
Yeah, we still have wet.
different color.
Yeah. But I'm surprised, does it not leak here?
And by the way, the gutter stopped to leaking.
Really? The gutter? it doesn't leak. Well, no, it's dripping.
But just a little bit.
Just a little bit. But because we don't have much rain right now. Right now we don't have any rain, Kotik, at that moment. Look who is in the garden. I can't believe. I will give you a few seconds if you can spot him. Mr. Sparkle. I think he hears me screaming and he stopped walking. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so happy to see him. Mr. Sparkle. Oh. Oh, he's so beautiful. But he is very thin now.
Maybe it's different one. Yeah, it's different one. You see, he has yellow dots, very symmetrical on his head.
And the previous one, we have pictures. We can check now who is who.
I don't remember him to be such symmetric and
Cemetery.
yeah, this one looks
What he was doing here? I don't understand. Oh. Hello, Mr. Sparkle. But he was walking when we went on the terrace. He was almost running and now he stopped. Oh, he's such a beautiful color. Oh. And I have noticed that the seed box from Camellia, so here it is. I think this is the seed. Mr. Sparkle, we're trying to steal my Camellia seed box. Oh, he is so beautiful. Mr. Sparkle, we just didn't want to step on you, because if you stay on the terrace and we are walking here and we can just step on you, we don't want that. You have to be safe. Okay? Oh, he's so pretty. I think it's the same one. I will check later. I will put two pictures together so we can identify him. Oh, what a beautiful creature. Please be safe. Oh my God. I'm very worried about him. Do you think he will... Oh no. You're gonna hurt yourself. Mr. Sparkle, you have to go to the garden and find a safe place for this winter, please. I beg you. I can't see her on video. Ah, okay. I hope you can hear. Oh. I think we have to create a little house for the birds to put food inside. It looks like he enjoys very much being under this moss. Are you, Mr. Sparkle? Are you enjoying it here? Of course, it's like a blanket. Oh, he's so sweet. Very good news, because with multi-tool and this hat, I can easily clean the old paint, which was really tough. And now, yeah, I will continue with the window while Sergey is working on beams in a little bedroom. Does it work? Wow! Kotik! Wow! Wow, I love it! Oh, it is so good.
Yeah, it will be easy.
But please be careful. Maybe you need another type of ladder.
Probably yes.
Let's bring this cupboard. Yeah? Okay. Okay, Sergey is doing he's experimenting on the wall. It's something good to show me. Oh, it is really dusty.
Come here.
Oh, okay, my God. Ah,
Come here, please.
I can't see you.
You see, I find paint.
Oh my God. I can't go there. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. Please try to clean the white thing, and wow, it is beautiful. But please, you have to wear this special thing, please. Please.
Okay.
So with the new hat and the multi-tool, I'm cleaning the frame because I still have these little bits of old paint and stuff. So yeah, hopefully today the frame will be cleaned and I later can fill all the gaps and cracks and paint it. And Sergey is doing a very exciting job. The sky is beautiful. Look at the clouds, so pretty. So it's much better now in these little corners. Still not perfect, but that's fine. Let's go and have a look what Sergey is doing.
It's so heavy. My hands already shaking.
Why you close the window?
Because it's too much dust for our neighbors. It's just difficult to...
I know. Take breaks. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. Poor Sergey. But you look so cool blonde. Wait. I like the gray hair. When you will be old, you will be a very charming gentleman. I love it. Oh. Kotik, you look absolutely splendid.
Thank you.
In my t-shirt, in my shirt. Especially I like the embroidery. Oh. Really stylish.
Thank you.
I think you could use one of the silk gowns from the wardrobe.
Yeah, let's try it.
Yes, so next time you're getting the silk gown. Okay, very important mission. We need to find a dressing gown for Sergey. And I've seen one here. Here it is. But I think it's too fancy actually for the building site, but it is what it is. We have to use what we have. Love it. Okay, here it is, Kotik. Take your time. So, Kotik, how do you like your new outfit?
Super.
Well, it's better than nothing. And I must say, you look gorgeous. Mr. Sparkle has escaped from his previous position. The anemone looks so good and it's growing quite fast. This little leaf is coming, and then there is another one here, and the moss looks so pretty. Oh, the birds are singing, the roses. We have finished for today. Sergi is back in his normal clothes. The roof is really good. The main happiness for us is that we haven't spotted any big leaks, just two tiny bits, and that's amazing. That means we've done an amazing job at the roof. Yay!
But we will continue.
We will. The air is so clear, Kotik. I love our little church. It is so cute.